sky. Laughter rises soft and high. Different hands join in a gentle spin. Circles of joy where hearts begin. Smiles as bright as the summer air, telling a story of love laid bare, where simple games help people see how beautiful true unity can be. Children playing in the open light, showing the world how to make things right. No walls to stand between their play, only the joy they share today. A lesson whispered in their carefree fun, that every heart beats under the same sun. Bare feet dance through the soft green grass. Moments of wonder as the minutes pass. No thought of borders or lines of the past, only the joy of friendships cast. Differences fade in the warmth they find, replaced by kindness that feels so kind. Their laughter carries a healing sound, where hope and harmony can be found. Children playing in the open light, showing the world how to make things right. No walls to stand between their play, only the joy they share today. A lesson whispered in their carefree fun, that every heart beats under the same sun. In their simple joy, the world becomes one.